So guys, the first thing you want to do is to sieve the powdered sugar. The reason for sieving this is to make sure that you don't get any lumps in your frosting. So the next step is to place a tablespoon of butter into a bowl and combine with a hand mixer. You should ensure that the butter is at room temperature so that it's easy to combine. So when the butter sticks to the hook, you can just use a spatula and scrape it off. So after you combine the butter, you should add some powdered sugar. I added the powdered sugar in 3 sections. Then you add about 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. So right here I'm just adding the remaining powdered sugar. So the last ingredient you should add is the vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So guys, this is what the finished product looks like, soft and creamy.